All right, my friends, one more thing I wanted to go over. I figured I would help you a little bit with citing your sources. It's something that kiddos tend to leave out, and it's an easy half a point, so it's not something that you should get into the habit of leaving out. So let's say you're writing CRQ 10. The question is, what is cellular respiration? Right, so you do your research and you start cellular respiration is, and then you answer the question, and then you include the the meat and potatoes of your answer. Don't actually write meat and potatoes, and you get everything written. Da 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 da. You have a couple sentences. You tell me about cellular respiration and the steps, and then you have to cite your sources, right? So sources, just write the word sources, put a colon, hit enter, and then maybe a bulleted list. And you can write something like, if you used information from class, Biology Class Connect with Mrs. Kitson, and then just put the date. Maybe it was from class on Wednesday, which would have been the 19th, right? So that's pretty specific. If you used a lesson in the course, lesson 3.14, tell me what page number you used, page 4. Or if you used a couple of pages, maybe from lesson 3.15, or pages 4, 6, and 9, if you used a number of pages. If you used a website, that's fine. Maybe you Googled what is cellular respiration and you clicked on whatever popped up just so that you could, learn more about it. I don't have a problem with you Googling it and learning more and reading more about it. I just don't want you to just copy and paste it. So this is the Encyclopedia Britannica, and it says cellular respiration is the process by which organisms combine oxygen with molecules, foodstuff molecules like glucose, diverting the chemical energy in these substances into life-sustaining activities and discarding as waste products carbon dioxide and water. So if you just copied and pasted that, I will know that you didn't write that because we didn't really talk about it like that in class, right? So again, maybe you looked at this website and you scrolled down and you saw, oh, look, it happens in the mitochondria. So, okay, well, I need to cite that. I learned that, parts of cellular respiration happen in the mitochondria, and I learned it from this website. So you didn't come up with that information on your own, right? You didn't do the research like in the lab, but you read about it. So make sure you cite the source where you got the information. So if you do use a website, which is fine, make sure it's legitimate, not Wikipedia. Encyclopedia Britannica is always a great website. Make sure you cite the source. All you have to do is right-click on the website, copy, go back to your quiz, and put Encyclopedia Britannica, and then just, paste the website in so that I know where you got it. But be specific when you paste in that website. I need to know that it was more than just Encyclopedia Britannica. It was the page in Encyclopedia Britannica about cellular respiration. All you can do is give me the web address and you're good. But you see how nice and neat that looks? You could even, make that bold so it stands out. And then you have a list right here of your sources. That's all you have to do.